Healthy North Coast was really keen to host this inaugural conference to really just come back to the basics, which is Back to Health, the title of the conference.
It's just a wonderful opportunity to really reignite your passion, to get to know new people and to really be inspired by all of the insights that are shared at a weekend like this.
The most important thing that we want the participants and everybody to understand and just to have a bit of knowledge around our culture.
They have so much to teach us. Very grateful to have been able to come here today.
Face to face, nothing beats it.
It's been a beautiful weekend.